Guys, $20,000 is an extremely important level, and since it's about to be broken, I want to tell you what is expected and what famous crypto personalities with millions of capital are doing now, as well as to warn you about new potential crypto scams. Let's get into it. First, let's hear from Mike Novogratz, the founder and head of Galaxy Digital. He believes that Bitcoin should hold at the $20,000 level, and the price of Ethereum will not drop below $1,000. Although he's afraid to buy Bitcoin now, Mike will do it after he sees the reversal of the Fed's policy. Simply put, he wants the Fed to start printing dollars again rather than taking them out of the market as it's doing now. And another interesting point is that if Novogratz sees the bottom in Bitcoin and Ethereum, then the S&P 500 and Nasdaq stocks indices, as he understands them, could drop by about 20% more. Another prediction is from the former head of the BitMEX crypto exchange and current US prisoner, Arthur Hayes. His understanding is that the liquidations at the last sale were impressive. That is, this process can be called capitulation and reaching the bottom. He also believes that the bottom levels for Bitcoin and Ether will be $20,000 and $1,000, below which the market should not drop. These are key levels and they are oriented on structured mass products, and therefore the players who invest in these products are interested in protecting them and consequently do not go bankrupt. But Hayes also sees the risk of Bitcoin dropping below 20k, and if that happens, there could be a massive sell-off in the spot market. Many will leave the market to save their money and collapse it even more. Recall that earlier Arthur Hayes accurately predicted the decline in Bitcoin in June to $30,000, but then his plan failed. Perhaps he underestimated the impact of the Fed on the crypto market. Macro investor and former Goldman Sachs top manager Raoul Pal looks at what is happening as positively as possible and will buy more cryptocurrencies. He believes the situation could even get worse, which cannot be denied, but at the same time, his trading strategy and the indicators he uses show that the crypto market is in the buying zone, and this is an opportunity that should not be missed. And if such a drop happens, it may very well be that it'll be short-term, and obscenely cheap Bitcoins will be quickly bought back, and with it, the altcoins too. And here's another prediction from Anthony Scaramuzzi, founder of the crypto fund Skybridge Capital. He supports Raoul Pal's position that dropping below 20k on Bitcoin is realistic, but it would just be a fantastic buying opportunity. Here's his quote: "With extra cash coming into our fund, we bought more Bitcoins and Ethereum, so yeah, truth be told, people will look back after this debacle and say, I wish I had the money to buy this." Guys, please subscribe to our YouTube channel to be the first and not miss anything. Here you can find all the key information. Also, don't forget to give this video a thumbs up. And we continue. An important reminder is that many people misinterpret the word scam. In fact, it's a planned fraud. But in cryptocurrencies, it's common to call any project whose token price has plummeted a scam, as it recently happened with Luna. And here are those who run the risk of repeating their fate. At the first place, there is a crypto lending platform Celsius Network. They were blamed for the recent Bitcoin sell-off, although this was not the case. The platform managed to keep its asset and stay afloat. The project was able to bring the Bitcoin liquidation level down to $14,000, and they currently have funds of 14,000 Bitcoins and 84,000 Ethereums, which is about $360 million at the rate while I'm preparing the video. It seems that the Celsius Network are no more in trouble, but I included them in the list because this is not the first time they've been on the verge of a collapse. And if there's another sell-off with Bitcoin going under $20,000, then their reserves may decrease, and no one else will give money for a new recovery. The next candidate for a scam is the cryptocurrency TRON, which actually looked very well most of the time while the market was selling off and only started to drop at the last moment. For a long time, the price was held by the algorithmic stablecoin USDD, which was actively pumped with assets for collateral, and this put TRON in the top 3 blockchains in terms of TVL. They coped with the collapse of Luna and UST very well, keeping the peg to USDD, but now it's faltered, which immediately affected the price. But we shouldn't expect the repetition of history with Luna. Firstly, they have much less capitalization of a stablecoin, and secondly, all the collateral is still in place. Moreover, no one's gonna turn on the TRON money printing press. Therefore, the maximum that can be feared is an acceleration of the drop of TRON with a return of the price to 2 cents. And the third project that's now causing concern is ApeCoin. A token is supposed to become a cryptocurrency in the new cool metaverse, but in the current market, this process is somehow stalled. And even if there's good news, it's unlikely to cause serious growth. In this case, the price is already noticeably lower than the beginning of trading after the listing on exchanges, and as you know, you can drop first to 0 and then draw new zeros after the comma. My concerns are related to the fact that the whole idea of ApeCoin was built on the success of the NFT collection Bored Ape. But the hype just for funny pictures in the form of NFT is now passing. Never before in the history of this collection has the minimum price of a non-fungible token dropped below $100,000. I mean, it actually sounds like nonsense. Pictures of monkeys for $100,000, but the market was giving this price. Now everything is plummeting, there are no buyers, and if the value of NFT continues to fall, the ApeCoin token could be under severe pressure. Please know that I did not advise you to sell anything, and I did not intend to scare anyone. This video was just a warning, and I pointed out the market situation to you as well as the specific cryptocurrencies that could have serious problems, so you could prepare for it. If you liked the video, subscribe and support me with your thumbs up. Thanks for watching, your CoinPost.